Knowledge is vain if you don't turn it into wisdom. I want to share a small story with you. It only have 3 chapters. One day I was walking down the street and I fell into a hole. I didn't know the hole exists, but I realized I was in the hole and I had to figure out how to get myself out of this hole. I got out the hole. Chapter 2. I was walking down the same street and I fell into this hole again. This time I was familiar with the hole. I've been there before. I realized how I got there and I got out the hole. Chapter 3. I walked down a different street. In life, I realized we have to make the critical decisions to turn knowledge into wisdom. If we're just puffed up with knowledge, it doesn't mean that we're going to take our lives to a different level, because we know. A lot of people know better and they still do things that know it's going to cause them harm. So what we have to do is we have to turn that knowledge into wisdom by making a conscious decision that we don't want to live that way and we want to have a different outcome. And in order to do that, you must turn that knowledge into wisdom, into application, and start applying some of the things you know, applying some of the things you have learned. And then you will realize that all you have to do is walk down a different street in life. Hold on.